here is supposedly Triangle Strategy Collector's Edition. Let's get into the unboxing. I'm excited. It's a Mario. Wait, that's not the game I'm supposed to be unboxing. Aha. Here we go. The box. So here we have a little envelope. I believe that these are the postcards that you get for pre-ordering the game. There we go. Ah, they're all the same on that side. It looks pretty cool. How well can you see this? Yeah, you can see it. It's alright. Just turn your screen brightness up a bit. And back to the start. So I think you get these just from pre-ordering it. So even if you don't get the special edition, you should get these. Although it's a bit late to say that now because you can't pre-order it anymore because it's come out. Mail me a postcard. They don't seem to be postcards. It said on the thing they were postcards, but on the back there's nowhere to write anything. But we'll put those to the side and get to the main event. Da, 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 da. Ooh, it's heavy. Let's take the plastic off. Lots of packaging is what I'm noticing. Good thing I got my bin beforehand. And so there we go. Tactician's Limited Edition, which I don't know how to pronounce that at all. And on the back, tactical RPG that will challenge your convictions. Enough faffing about. So yeah, this is kind of like a box that looks like a book. This isn't a real book, this is just cardboard. But it looks pretty cool. It opens up here. Oh, that's upside down. Aha. So we have the metal case. I don't know any of the characters' names on the front of it yet. Oh, but look, you can see there's loads of little characters in there. And then the regular game box. How do I... you do that, okay. There it is. Triangle Strategy. In my hand. We can just call them all Hong Juns, it's okay, he doesn't mind. Yeah, so according to Ali on the front of this case, we have Hong Jun, we have Hong Jun, we have Hong Jun, and then we have Wu Yang right there on the front. And oh look, Hong Jun made an appearance on the front of the case as well. And on the back. Oh. Aha. This appears. You guys see that? We'll look at that in a bit. So this appears to be the poster, I presume. It appears to be the box art. And there's all the characters on the back again. You can kind of see there's loads of different characters. All very interesting, of course. Don't know who any of these are yet. Maybe these are like the enemies in the game. Or the heroes in the game? I don't know. But the poster is... I wouldn't really call it a poster. That's small. But looks nice nonetheless. What are you guys doing in chat? I just look over and there's Ali being like, I snorted. Oh, okay, Hong Jun on the horse. Hong Jun with a stick. Oh yeah, in the back of here. So many Hong Juns. Hong Jun with a sword. Hong Jun with a crossbow. Hong Jun with a mage stick. Hong Jun riding an eagle. That's a cool one. Hong Jun with a bigger sword. Hong Jun with an axe. Hong Jun with a beard and receding hairline. But now we get to look at this. Ooh. I think that's where the weight of the box came from. A little Triangle Strategy pouch. Inside, I believe, are custom dice. I'm not sure what you could use this for other than storing said dice. Yeah, come on. Is there a way you're supposed to open this? Oh. Oh. We'll get the dice out of their packaging in a second, but look at that. That's cool. Okay, so there are 6 dice, and they seem to be made out of like metal. I don't quite know because they're really heavy. All right, well let's open all the individually packaged dice. A nice aluminum dice there. That's kind of the gold one. Then we have a brown bronze dice. We can play Uno with that. I don't believe there are dice in Uno. Last time I checked. Yeah, and they're all individually wrapped, so not particularly environmentally friendly. This one's quite nice. A nice white one. I'm sure you could look at this in better lighting and a different unboxing, but this is an experience, right? Let's show you the white one, because that's probably my favourite. Look at that. Very cool design, and it feels like the texture of it's really nice. And then there's this kind of metallic, ruined type texture to it. And then the other ones are just these. There's 3 bronze ones, the gold one, rough gravelly one, and a nice white pristine one. Very nice collection of dice. Now we have the deck of cards. Ooh. Look at that. That is very strong right there. These are very nicely designed. An elderly Hongjun. A young Hongjun. Hongjun with a staff. There's a wizarding Hongjun. There's a red-haired Hongjun. There's red-haired Hongjun with a beard. And there's Ali, pink hair. And there's Run Out of Jokes. And there's a king. And there's different pictures on all of the sets. Plenty of cards here. I think every single one has a different design on it. Oh, look at that guy. And look, a barrel boy. I look forward to playing some card games with these. And they feel quite sturdy as well. They don't feel like they're gonna fall apart after one game of throwing them at a war. Okay, and so I think that is everything in the box. So for £90, you get this box. I thought maybe you could use like a storage box, but it's got this kind of thing in the bottom. You get the 6 dice in this little bag. You get the playing cards as well. Of course, you get the game, steel case, and the poster. Now, would I say that this is worth an additional £40 above just buying the game on its own? I reckon most of the budget probably went into these dice, because these do feel really premium. The poster I'm a little bit disappointed with, because this is just a piece of paper with a printed design on it. Sure, it's a nice printed design, but it's also quite small. Like, in comparison to my Mario posters that I got for free from the Nintendo Online store, and they're like proper massive A2 posters. This just seems a little bit insignificant. And then the steel case, I quite like the steel case. Ooh, look at that. There's actually something in the case. I didn't expect that, because there's never any, it's all in French. So we need Carla to come and read it. Yeah, I've never actually seen anything actually put in the game box before. And then there we have the game cartridge itself. What's Carla? I don't know any other French people. So yeah, that's kind of the end of the unboxing section.